An Intergas Rapid 32 combi boiler in my friend's house. Well, was in my friend's house. Doesn't get much more dangerous than this. Doing a fluid integrity test now. I know the case isn't on, so don't pull me on that. So it isn't really a fluid integrity test, but I'm still just checking the emissions. So basically, what I'm reading there is basically all blowing in my face and blowing into the house. So pretty stupid of me, really, to have the case off. But these readings are absolutely ridiculous. That is basically in the fluid integrity test point and basically coming out of the boiler. That wouldn't be allowed if it was going outside, never mind in the house. Ridiculous readings. So dangerous. And another reason why you must get your boiler serviced every year. Crazy not to. So let's have a little look at the boiler now and see what was happening. Cracks on the heat exchanger. It's split where it's, I don't know, overheated, but serious amount of heat had to have been generated to cause them split. Seals all over, completely perished. Inside the boiler full of bits of red seals that had just literally perished. Them two plastic caps on top of the boiler just completely melted. Again, just opening the boiler completely to the house. CO pouring into the house. There you can see all the red bits of seal that's just disintegrated. Insulation on the sides of the boiler completely perished, just completely overheated. Touch it with your finger and it just goes to dust. It's in such a poor condition. This is a 6-year-old boiler that apparently had been serviced. That's it, not to be used again and condemned.